Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So I got four more of the Harbor Freights out here on the side. The weather's beautiful today, and I did actually get 2 kilowatts so far. It's behind the trees now, probably not making much. I did not have any progress on that charge controller. I can't find it anywhere with this phone, so I'll continue on my mission. Jeff did send me a picture through text as to what it is, and that name brand, I can't find it anywhere on this phone. But anyway, I got a rubber stopper. This one's too big. It would have 8 holes drilled in it. I gotta order a bunch of short solar cables so I can have some hanging out on the outside and hanging on the inside. I'm going to drill a hole, most likely through the windowsill here. And with 8 holes in this, I can stick it through there. Now, I ordered some that are half the size. So right through there, I can caulk it both sides, and it'll be good for weather anyway. And then I can have easy access next time. I just click the 2 connectors together and I have solar running down there. And then I can get more cords to so I have more cords available going from the rubber stopper down to the battery, the charge controllers down there and such. I use one like this, half the size, maybe a quarter of the size. Had 6 holes drilled in it. That works for all of these 3 solar arrays up here. One step at a time, one day at a time. I did not connect those in. I'm going to go eat somewhere. I'm going to take my notebook and see what I can figure out. So that'll give me 18 solar panels up here now. So all 8 Harbor Freights could be on one system. On the battery bank in the back, that's 12 volts. The one in the front is 24 volts. And if I can't figure this charge controller out, I can't find out anything else. But the one that Jeff sent me, it's only got 2 buttons on it. And I keep playing with them and I'm not getting any results. But we'll see. There's one more charge controller in the back that I can pull up here. Maybe that'll work. So I'm going to go look that up, write it down. I'm going to go eat. I don't know. One day at a time. One thought process at a time. But I have it all figured out in the next couple days anyway. And probably order a couple more charge controllers. So I don't have to worry about too much. And we're going to get all 24 hooked up. There's one in the house, so we can't count that. But anyway, and you have a nice solar day.